Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Giovanni, who is going to show us another incredible recipe, and one I'm pretty excited for. This is right up my alley.
We're making grilled eggplant stacks.
Oh, yeah.
So the first thing I want to do is I want to season my ingredients. I'm just going to salt everything, and I'm going to hit it with a little bit of olive oil, and then I'm going to take a little parsley. I'm just going to drizzle, put a little on top, sprinkle it on top, because why not? And here we go. I'm going to start cutting my eggplant. I don't want it too thick, and I don't want it too thin. A little bit of olive oil, a lot of salt. This eggplant loves salt. We're going to grill these eggplants so they have nice grill marks on them.
Those are some nice grill marks you got there.
And see how nice and soft they are?
Yeah.
And we're going to start stacking. We start with eggplant, tomato, roasted pepper, hanging off, fresh mozzarella, and then another piece of eggplant, another tomato, roasted pepper, and we're gonna hang it off a different side, right? Mozzarella, here we go, and then we'll finish it with an eggplant. Isn't that nice?
Beautiful.
Little balsamic glaze, right on top. Grilled eggplant stacks.
So listen, appetizer could be a meal, right?
That's right.
And the above. So if you'd like to try this at home, head to news12.com. The recipe will be there for you. Giovanni, thank you.
Thank you, Will.
Beautiful.